It looks like we're in for an absolute masterpiece to close out this Dune trilogy. Dune Part 3, directed by Denis Villeneuve, is one of my most anticipated movies of the year. I know it sounds cliche, but epic was the first word that came to mind after viewing the trailer. The scale is just ridiculous. The Fremen chant, riding along with Hans Zimmer's score, has been stuck in my head for days. This feels darker, more intense, and like the stakes have never been higher for the Atreides family. This isn't a trailer that needs to be reviewed, you've got to experience it for yourself. I've had it on repeat since its release, I can't stop chanting, and I'm looking forward to being seated for the conclusion. I'll see you all at the movie theater on Doomsday, December 18th.